Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your Ankur sir here, and today in this video we will be discussing the concept of pronoun or personal pronoun in simple and easy way. So please be with me till the end. And before I begin, I would like to mention that we often misuse pronoun when it comes to spoken language. Sometimes in the place of he we use she, and in the place of him we use her. And this happens only when we are not clear with the concept of pronoun. And if we don't clear pronouns, then there will be problems in understanding modals or auxiliary verbs and also the helping verbs. So without any further delay, let's come to the definition of pronoun. Pronouns are those words which are used in the place of nouns, or you can say they are the substitute words for nouns. For example, I, he, she, it, they, etc. So now let me make it more clear with the help of another example. Suppose I want to write about my friend Ravi. So I'll be writing like, Ravi is my friend, Ravi likes to play football, and Ravi likes to eat chocolate, which is wrong. So now let's write those sentences using pronouns. So we will be writing like, Ravi is my friend, he likes to play football, and he likes to eat chocolates, which sounds very natural. So you practically saw that how I used pronoun instead of using noun again and again. So this is how pronouns work in the English literature. And now I would like to mention that there are three persons in pronouns: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. Let's discuss one by one. The first person pronoun refers to the person who is speaking, which means the speaker, and the list of first person pronoun which we have are I, we, my, mine, we, us, our, and ours. And now let's come to the second person pronoun. Second person pronoun refers to the person who is listening to the first person. You can say the listener, and the list of second person pronoun which we have are you, your, and yours. And now let's come to the third person pronoun. Third person pronoun refers to the person regarding whom the first and second person are talking. And the list of third person pronoun which we have are he, his, him, her, she, it, and its. And now I would like to mention that personal pronouns are classified into three cases. The first one we have is subjective or nominative case. These type of pronouns are used as a subject in a sentence. And list of pronouns which fall under this case are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let me make it more clear with the help of an example. I went for shopping. He is a good boy, and she is a good girl. So in those examples you saw that how I use those pronouns as a subject in a sentence. So those were all about subjective or nominative case. So now let's come to the second case, which is objective case. These type of pronouns are used as an object in a sentence. And list of pronouns which fall under this objective case are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Some of the examples are, please pass the book to me. My dad likes him. In those examples, you saw that how I use the pronoun me and him as an object in a sentence. So those were all about objective case. So now let's come to the last case, and that is possessive case. This type of pronouns shows possessions or belongings. You can say ownership. And list of pronouns which fall under this possessive case are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Let me make it more clear with the help of some examples. This dress is mine. That pen is yours. So you can clearly see that the pronoun mine and yours are displaying the belongings of these two things, dress and pen. and those were all about possessive case. So those were all about the basics of pronoun, or you can say personal pronoun. And in part 2 we will be discussing the different kinds of pronoun. And at the end, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then click the subscribe button and smash the bell icon for upcoming updates. Till then, stay safe and thanks for watching.